So we looked at the rationale. Now let's have a look at the exam in a bit more detail. If you saw specimen 1, it was 12 pages long, whereas specimen 2 was 14 pages long. Now P3 always used to be about 11 pages, so it's not too bad. So don't worry too much about it. But yeah, we're expecting between 12 to 15 pages each time. Now, all of the questions, unlike P3 and P1, for example, all of the questions are based on one scenario, what they call a case. So that is really good news because you don't have to keep on swapping from like one scenario to the next. So it all builds on itself and you've got a longer time to do the exam anyway. As for the questions in the exam, well, specimen 1 had 3, whereas specimen 2 had 5. And there's going to be no set format, so don't go into the exam thinking, I've got 3 questions, I've got 8 questions. We don't know, all right, so that's that. And the format of the exam, it's 4 hours, not 3, so that's good news, 240 minutes. You've still only got 100 marks to get, so that's good news. Now, of those 100 marks, though, only 80 are technical. So only 80 are getting marks for applying to the scenario, etc., etc. There's another 20 marks for professional skills, okay, which we'll talk about in a lot of detail later and throughout the accountancy course on this. But all you need to be aware is that is no extra words then for that, so all good news.